Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 30th of November today, Thursday, and the flagship cryptocurrency updated its local high, and today we will discuss what will happen next. And we have one article today by Artem Petrenko, which was written yesterday in the evening. So, the current trading week started with a local consolidation pause where the price explored the range $38,000 as the price moved. A decrease in trading volumes was observed, and the price gradually slid towards the lower boundary of the channel. And these facts indicated a relative parity in the positions of bulls and bears in the market. However, the situation changed dramatically. Contrary to expectations, Bitcoin held the 37,000 level, recovered above it, and conducted a retest of $38,000. Ultimately, bulls managed to reach the 38,400 mark, and after the sellers' reaction, they maintained the 38,000 level as a platform for further movement. The current movement in Bitcoin price is likely caused by certain macroeconomic factors, and we may not see further rallies in the near future. Why is that? Let's discuss. According to BBG data, November became one of the most successful months for the stock market in history. Considering this, Wells Fargo analysts stated that investor optimism suggests that by the end of next year, the S&P will grow to 4,625 points, and all these factors are crucial as they allow us to assess investor sentiment based on expectations regarding the Fed's policy. Bitcoin is also beneficiary of such sentiments, and its correlation with the S&P has significantly strengthened in recent weeks, as reported by Sentiment. Also, already yesterday, revised GDP growth data in the US was released, and according to all forecasts, the US economy will continue to grow until the end of this year. Taking this into account, along with the Bitcoin and S&P correlation, we can assume that the recent rally was partly a premature reaction to the news. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance is growing, and Kaiko notes that over last 60 days, Bitcoin's correlation with altcoins has significantly decreased, and more than 90% of investment inflows directed to crypto products since the beginning of this year have been redistributed to Bitcoin. And additionally, its dominance has again increased, reaching 53%. Despite growing optimism and investment flows, Sentiment reports that profit-taking by short-term investors has significantly intensified recently, and there has also been a negative shift in sentiments among long-term investors. However, after a successful breakout of $38,000 and an update of the local high, significant selling pressure is not expected, as investors will be waiting for further price growth. What's happening technically? Let's have a look at the chart. Buyers endured and passionately outlasted sellers within the range of $38,000, where a parity of positions between bulls and bears formed in recent days, and buyers made an impulsive leap, allowing Bitcoin price to trade near 38,100 level, with trading volumes reaching $22.3 billion. Bitcoin confidently settled above $38,000 and continued its movement towards the next key level, which is near 38,400, 600. And it's important to note that Bitcoin surpassed the 38,000 level thanks to the impulsive leap. However, the current rise to the next zone is accompanied by minimal trading volumes, so a pullback of Bitcoin price to 37,800, 38,100 can be expected. It's worth noting that the situation may change, however, with opening of US markets yesterday. And the short-term target for Bitcoin is to form and maintain a platform above $38,000, as the experience of recent weeks shows that sellers aggressively attempt to push the price below 38,000 level, and a local pullback and consolidation near $38,000 will be an integral part of a further rally towards $40,000. So, making a conclusion, Artem says that Bitcoin has made the long-awaited breakout of $38,000 and is moving towards the nearest resistance area at 38,400, 600. This event will largely conclude the phase of increasing volumes due to profit taking. However, it needs to finish and close the day above $38,000. This will be the first signal for the formation a platform near 38,300 area for further movement towards 40,000. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 30th of November and Bitcoin opened today at the point 37,788, and now it is trading at 37,956. So what does this mean? It went lower. It's consolidating. The price pulled back a little. But the important thing is that it didn't manage to finish a day above $38,000, and it's quite a negative signal. However, Artem predicted some pullback and consolidation, and it's quite healthy for the further movement. So the situation is quite controversial so far. We will see what's going to happen tomorrow. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other in our next review. As usual, I wish you to have a nice day and profitable trading, and I see you next time. Goodbye.